Welcome to your Relieve Sciatica and Back Pain 10-minute stretch video. I am Lucy Roberts, sports therapist, personal trainer and nutritionist. For over 20 years I have had my hands deep into people's muscles, performing deep tissue massage therapy. During this time I have learned, contrary to lots of other opinions, that 90% of sciatica cases are caused by tight, twisted muscles in the buttocks, hips and legs. In a few cases, it's possible that there is a herniated disc in the lumbar region, with pain in the lower back. But even in these cases, the tight muscles in the buttocks, hips and legs have been pulling and putting pressure on the lower spine. By releasing this pressure, the inflammation is relieved and the disc realigns. My thumbs and fingers have felt the woolly, knotted tissue of countless people. And after deep tissue massage work alongside performing specific stretches, the pressure on the sciatic nerve has been released and the sciatica and pain have been completely relieved. Today I'm excited to guide you through these stretches that will help pull out these tight knotted muscle fibres. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and only stretch to a comfortable level. If you experience an increase in pain or discomfort, please ease off the stretch. Your body will adapt with practice. Let's get started. Rocking knee hug. This will warm up your lower back. Lying comfortably on your back, hug your knees and rock from side to side gently. Breathe deeply. Cross knee lying hip stretch. Now take your right foot and place the ankle on top of your left knee so that your right knee is pointing out to the side. Take hold of your left thigh with both hands and gently pull the leg towards your chest. Hold and breathe. A deep stretch should be travelling through your right hip. Take your left foot and place the ankle on top of your right knee. Hold your right thigh and gently pull towards your chest. The deep stretch should be travelling through your left hip. Kneeling lunge. Now place your right foot forward, raise your chest and push forward into a kneeling lunge. Hold your core firm to brace your lower back. Feel the stretch through the front of your left hip. Bring your right foot back and swap sides. Bringing your left foot to the front, lunge forward and hold your core firm. Breathe deeply. You will feel the stretch through the front of your right hip. Take your left foot back, releasing the lunge. Standing forward fold. Fold forward to a halfway point, keeping your back straight. Shift your weight from side to side, from leg to leg slowly. You will feel the stretch down the back of each leg, through the hamstrings and the buttocks. Slowly lower your hands as far as you can towards the floor. With a generous bend in your knees, now walk your hands back up your legs to a standing position. Standing thigh stretch. Using a chair or a wall for support, lift your right foot behind you and hold on to the ankle. Keep your knees together and push forward through your hips. You should feel a deep stretch down the front of the right thigh. Breathe deeply and make sure to hold your core at all times. Release your foot to the floor. Lift your left foot and hold on to the ankle. Keep your knees together, push through the hips and hold your core firm. You should feel a deep stretch down the front of your left thigh. And lower your foot to the floor. Seated twist. Sit tall on the front half of a chair. Cross your right leg over your left and twist your body around to your right side. Slide your left arm outside the right knee to use as a leverage to increase the stretch. Release the stretch and face forward on the chair. Sit up tall, cross your left leg over your right leg and twist your body round to the left side. Slide your right arm outside your left knee and use that as a leverage to increase the stretch. Release the twist and face forward. Seated hip stretch. For this stretch, I want you to sit right on the front edge of the chair. Sit up really tall, pick up your right foot and rest your ankle on your left knee. Folding from the hips, not the waist. Fold forward, tilting your hips down towards your thighs. Breathe deeply and hold. You should feel a really deep stretch in your right hip. And release. Place your foot back on the floor. Now pick up your left foot and place the ankle on your right knee. Sit up tall, fold from the hip and gently tilt your hips down towards the thigh. Feel the deep stretch in your left hip. Release your foot. Core hold. Stand up tall and put your shoulders back. Pull your tailbone down towards the floor. Then using your lower abdominal muscles, tuck your lower belly up and in. This is a very small movement. We are not sucking our bellies in, we are just creating a small firmness within the lower abdominal wall. Breathe normally and continue to hold this firmness in your lower abdominal throughout the day. Keep practicing until you've absolutely mastered how to hold your lower abdominal wall firm. This is an absolute game changer that will continue to protect your back always. Make this simple routine a part of your daily life. Together with using a massage gun as directed in the Simple Steps guide, you will achieve results quickly. Using these two separate routines together are literally a game changer. Head over to the Pain Free Tribe website to get your copy of our Simple Steps to relieve sciatica and back pain if you haven't already. The guide will show you the correct way to use a massage gun to get quick results, talk you through the best practices for sleeping. You will find our tried and tested recommendations for choosing the right massage gun for every budget. It's time to take control. and live a pain-free life.